Legends of Learning presents the AstroShape 2D game. This is a math game that makes learning about common attributes of 2D figures fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, asteroids have been detected on a collision course with Earth. Choose your ship and use its lasers to destroy the 2D-shaped asteroids before they cause damage. Learn about the properties of each shape and use your expertise to complete your mission. Use the arrow keys to navigate in space. Move your spaceship to shoot different 2D shapes to complete each level.
Sharing properties with other quadrilaterals. Look out for these special properties of parallelograms. 2 pairs of equal and parallel sides. 2 pairs of equal angles. Great
Switch
job.
between spaceships to shoot the correct shaped objects to complete
energy.
each level. Collect resources to upgrade your spaceship.
As well as sharing properties with other quadrilaterals. Look out for these special properties of kites. 2 pairs of adjacent equal sides.
Complete all the levels
At least 1
to win the
pair
game.
of opposite equal angles.
Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.